Hi everyone. I hope so in these tough times you all are doing well, and please take care of yourselves and follow all the COVID protocol, because it's actually not a very rosy scenario outside, and take care all of you. I'm just making this short video for answering numerous queries which I have already told in a lot of my previous interviews about myself. So I thought I'd make this video and post it, and whoever further asks me such questions, I can direct them to this video. First of all, my optional in UPSC was sociology. For Odisha Public Service Commission OPSC, my optional was sociology and forestry. Next, I never took any coaching for any of the general studies. I have never been to any coaching institute. I have never read under it because I was working the whole time and I could not go out to Delhi and I could not afford it as well. I only took coaching for sociology because I did not have any background, and I was really not wanting to take a chance actually. So I did my sociology coaching for 3 months. It was a crash course of 3 months in Upendra Gaur at Delhi. So I went Delhi for 3 months and then I took that coaching. So all those who are constantly asking me, is this coaching good? Is that coaching good? Is the online coaching good? I have absolute no idea. So I cannot help you out in that because I have never taken any coaching and I don't know how these coaching institutes work, what do they teach, how is their plan, what is their schedule. So I'm sorry, I'll not be further answering any questions related to coaching institutions because the place where I have no knowledge, no idea, I cannot give any insights into it. It would be actually like preaching for something which I have no first-hand experience. So I cannot help you in that. I'm sorry for that. Second, I'll tell you all the test series I joined. First, for prelims I always joined online Insights on India. I gave their online prelims test series. Offline, I used to solve Vision IAS, Forum IAS, sometimes GS Core. I used to get their copies from the local market. I used to order from Delhi. They used to courier the complete test series of prelims, and then I used to solve at home. You can also get this PDFs of prelim test series in online also in many platforms. You can search, you will find it. And then for mains answer writing 2018, the first time I cracked prelims, I wrote Insights on India. I had gone to Bangalore for some reason, and then the results came out, so I joined Insights on India and I did my answer writing from there. 2019, the year I cracked, I wrote my mains answer writing Vision IAS offline. I went to Delhi for 3 months to write answers, to prepare from there for 2-3 months. And online answer writing practice I used to do from Insights on India. There's a secure platform over there. They used to post some questions every day, and IS Baba TLP forum is also there. I used to solve certain questions, and many people solve and they post their answers in the comment section, so you can compare your answers, or you can make friends over there and then you can exchange your answer sheets and check. So if you are really sincere, you will find sincere people in that platform. Then for optional mains writing, sociology specifically. Sociology 2018, I joined IS Baba because I was in Bangalore and I did their sociology optional mains writing under Vamshi sir in IS Baba. And in 2019, I was in Delhi, so I did it from Toppers IS in Delhi only. It was nothing there is no specific reason why I went for it. I just wanted to practice answer writing, so I went for Toppers IS. And 2019, the only other revision class I took in Forum IS current affairs. After prelims 2019, I took 1.5 months current affairs revision class in Forum IS. So these are all the platforms where I have studied or went off, but there's no formal coaching I have ever taken any time in my life. After that, for interview, I gave mock interview in Byju's, Drishti IAS, Rao's IAS and Sankalp. They Mock interviews are all free of cost. They do not charge you except for Sankalp, which had given me certain extra classes and they were guiding in certain forms, so they took some nominal amount. Otherwise, all of this are free of cost. So you have to remember when you people ask me that, ma'am, I saw your photo in Baiju, I saw your photo in an academy. They publish when, because I was a part of their, in some or the other way I was connected to them. So that's why they publish. They do not publish because I was a student. I was never a student of any of these platforms. I just went there to give my mock interview. Mock interviews are always free of cost. I had gone to Delhi for 10-15 days to give all these mock interviews. I hope so. I have cleared the major things which I constantly get on questions about. So kindly go through this video and I hope so. I'm not answering all these questions in future. That is always the motive of mine in making a video. All the best everyone. Keep studying, stay motivated and stay safe. Most important is stay safe. Keep everyone in your family safe as well. All the best.